How to fix data_bus_error stop code in Windows. 1. Update video card drivers with recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Check RAM with the Windows Memory Diagnostic. 3. Run a disk scan via chkdskc/f/r/x command. 4. Run a system file checker scan. Commands include dism.exe, /restore health sfc/scan05. Update Windows. Six. Remove recently installed hardware. 7. Restore your Windows to an earlier date. 8. Check and fix any hardware issues, if you can. Hints: 1. Check Event Viewer. 2. Check installed graphics card. 3. Check hardware compatibility. 9. Update BIOS. 10. Check and remove malware from system with the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 11. Repair the master boot record, MBR, using gparted-live. And for advanced users, run these commands in the command prompt subsection under Windows Safe Mode. Botrek.exe/ fixing for Botrek.exe /rebuild plan B. Run these lines. /export c:\bcd backup c cd boot attrib bcd shrn c:\boot /bcd bcd.old botrek.exe /rebuild. 12. Disable overclock. 13. Perform system restore. 14. See more tips at https://learn.microsoft.com/n-us/windows-debugger/bug-check-0x2e-data_bus_error. Bug check 0x2e, data_bus_error.